There is a reason that even the most active AI users still feel overwhelmed, still miss critical information, still make slower decisions than they should. It is not because the tools are not powerful enough. The problem is what happens between the tools. Most people are living in what this video calls machine fog. 5 AI windows open, none of them sharing context, and the human doing all the work of connecting the dots. That is not AI productivity. That is AI chaos with extra steps. Today, this video walks through a complete 4-layer system used by high-performance professional teams that turns those disconnected tools into a single intelligence architecture. It is built on 2 free Google tools, Gemini and NotebookLM, and it does not require any technical background to set up. The human intelligence system. Defined, most people think of AI as a tool to use when they need something. A smart search engine, a faster way to write emails. But that mental model is the ceiling, not the floor. The human intelligence system is a 4-layer architecture. Each layer makes the next one more powerful. Together, they eliminate machine fog and create what this framework calls the AI edge. The compounding advantage of knowing more, deciding faster, and never starting from zero on any research or decision again. Here is the key insight. These are not 4 separate tools. They are 4 layers of one system. And the reason most AI users never reach this level is that they treat each tool in isolation. This video will show exactly how to connect them. NotebookLM as your AI second brain. NotebookLM is not a note-taking app. Calling it that is like calling a Formula 1 car a vehicle for getting around. What NotebookLM actually is: a private AI that is trained exclusively on the documents you upload to it. It has no general knowledge from the internet. It only knows what you give it. And that constraint is exactly what makes it powerful. Watch what happens when a complex research question is asked. The kind that would take a human analyst 2 hours to answer. The question: based on the industry report and the Q1 meeting notes, what are the 3 biggest gaps between where the market is going and where this organization currently stands? The answer is structured, specific, and sourced, pointing to exact pages from the uploaded documents. There is no hallucination risk here because NotebookLM cannot invent information it was not given. It only synthesizes what exists in the knowledge base. This is long-term memory for a professional intelligence system. It compounds. The more material is uploaded, the more powerful the answers become. Layer 2. Gemini Deep Research as your AI analyst. NotebookLM knows everything about your world. Gemini knows everything about the outside world. That is the combination. While NotebookLM works from a private knowledge base, Gemini Deep Research goes out and synthesizes the entire web into a structured intelligence report in the time it takes to have a meeting. Here is the Monday morning intelligence workflow used by AI-forward professional teams. Open Gemini, activate Deep Research, and submit a query like this one. What are the most significant AI productivity trends emerging in enterprise this week, and which create an opportunity or risk for knowledge-intensive professional services firms? That report, 12 pages, sourced, structured, produced in 20 minutes without touching a browser, is now external intelligence ready to feed into the system. Here is the bridge move that most people miss. Take the executive summary from that Gemini report and paste it directly into NotebookLM. Now the private AI second brain has been updated with the most important things that happened in the outside world this week. The 2 layers are now talking to each other. That connection is what the next section is entirely about. Layer 3. context. Engineering. Context engineering is the layer that separates professionals who get transformative results from AI from those who feel like they are still doing all the work themselves. The definition: context engineering is the practice of intentionally designing how information flows between AI tools, so that every tool is always working from the richest possible picture of the situation. There are three components to a working context engineering setup. First, the standing brief. This is a living document, approximately 400 words, covering the professional role, the organization or project being built, the active decisions of the current quarter, and the most important priorities. Every AI session begins with this document loaded. It is the persistent memory that follows the work everywhere. Second, the weekly intelligence digest. This is the Gemini deep research report from Layer 2, reformatted into NotebookLM every Monday. The knowledge base stays current with the outside world automatically, without any additional research effort. Third, the decision stack. Every major decision in progress gets its own dedicated NotebookLM notebook. Context compounds over time, instead of resetting at the start of every conversation. When these three components are in place, the relationship with AI changes fundamentally. The work is no longer prompt engineering, running an AI tool session by session. The work becomes systems architecture, designing an intelligence infrastructure that gets smarter the more it is used. The AI stops being a tool used occasionally. It becomes an always-on AI staff. AI specialist staff. When layers 1 through 3 are running, something important becomes possible. AI is no longer asked to help think. AI is assigned to handle entire categories of thinking independently. This is the AI staff model. And it is what enterprise teams building serious AI infrastructure are quietly deploying right now. Each of these agents runs on top of the shared context, built in layers 1 through 3. The market intelligence agent draws from the NotebookLM knowledge base to contextualize its weekly brief. The decision reviewer cross-references new information against the decision stack. The meeting synthesizer formats outputs in the style defined by the standing brief. That is what makes this a system and not just a collection of prompts. The same AI staff infrastructure that large enterprises are spending hundreds of thousands of dollars to build is available to any professional this week, free using the Google AI ecosystem. The difference is not budget. The difference is systems thinking. Full stack, live, one real workflow. Here is the entire system running on a single real-world decision. The scenario. Should this professional services firm expand into a new market segment this quarter? Open Gemini Deep Research. Query. What is the current state of the AI consulting market for mid-market professional services firms in 2026? What are the key opportunity windows and risk factors? The report begins building in the background. While that runs, open NotebookLM. Go to the Decision Stack notebook for this question. Ask, based on the organization past expansion decision and current capacity context, what are the highest risk assumptions in a new market entry right now? It answers from internal history. The Gemini report arrives. Paste the executive summary into NotebookLM. Ask, given this new external market data, does it confirm, challenge, or add nuance to the internal risk assumptions we just identified? NotebookLM synthesizes both sources in one answer: external intelligence and internal context, combined. A consulting firm would charge a significant engagement fee for that level of structured analysis. This system produced it in the time it takes to make coffee, and it will do it again next week. Better, because the context compounds. How to start today? Here is how to build the foundation of this system this afternoon. 3 steps. No technical setup required. Step 1. Go to NotebookLM and create a new notebook. Upload 3 documents. A recent strategy or planning document, 1 industry report, and the last month of meeting notes. The AI second brain is live in 10 minutes. Go to Gemini, open Deep Research, and run the first weekly intelligence query for the relevant industry. Let it run in the background. Fill it in 20 minutes. Use it to open every AI session from this point forward. That is the Human Intelligence System Foundation, built in 1 afternoon with 2 free Google tools. The standing brief template, a guide to setting up the 4 AI agents, and links to both tools.